Hi friends! So in this section, you've learned all about Martin Luther King Jr. and why he is so important to our American history. So for this activity, you are going to once again be caption creators. So on this page, I have a couple of examples for you. Remember, your caption is this small print down here that talks about the illustration, using details so that you know exactly what's happening in the picture. So for this photograph right here, our caption says, "A white man and a black man drink at separate drinking fountains." So you can see that this caption clearly matches this picture that you can see within this book. This other photograph over here has the caption that says, "Dr. King and Coretta Scott King led a 5-day march to Montgomery, Alabama in 1965. So as you can see, they are leading. Remember, leading means in the front or leading a group of people. So you can see that they are right here in the front and there's a ton of people behind them and they are doing this 5-day march to Alabama. Now you've learned all about why Martin Luther King Jr. is so important to our country. Now you're going to, on the next slide, create your own captions for these illustrations. We've got one illustration up here and one illustration down here. Here are the lines where you can write your own caption. Remember, your caption is going to tell in detail what's happening in the illustration. So take a close look and figure out the best caption to represent this photograph. Then down here, you're going to do the same thing. Here's Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. What is he doing? Write a caption that matches this illustration.